Good morning, children. I will teach science. Just last two video lectures I teach you. If you want more information, you can go my YouTube channels. My name is Hussain. Then science. Then I read the last two video just within 5 minutes. You know I will teach you a craft food productions in management. First I tell you what is agriculture. Agriculture in India, peoples they were wandering group from place to place in search of food and shelters. Their raw fruits and vegetables started hunting for animals and food. Later they could cultivate their land, produce rice, wheat and other food. Thus was born up. Means firstly the agriculture happens rice, then wheat. After the what is I teach you what is crop. When plants of the same kinds are grown and cultivated one place, means when plant of the same kind are grown, means food production. Crop production. Crop production. NCERT book. This is our book. But material is same, definition is same, only for change of the books. Don't confuse because this NCERT based, and then whatever your book also NCERT based. Then first I will write like this within 5 minute bulletin. You are in new channels and listen it within 5 minute bulletin. Just like two lectures I will give her bulletin like what is crops, when plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on large scales. Then I teach you crop. What is crop? What is crop? What is crop? Then for example crop of wheat means that all the plants grow in field. Then agriculture practice, you already know that crops are different types or like cereals, vegetables and fruits. Then I teach you despite this variety diversity, two broad cropping pattern. Kharif and Rabi crop. You discuss your grandfathers, your father, what is Kharif crops, what is Rabi crop. Kharif crop, you just broad mind understand. Kharif crops showing two time of the rain times, means this season of the July of the Kharif crops. After October, means last September, 15 October to 15 November, before winter is a Rabi crops. Then you understand this season as a July, because your July seasons in this is a Kharif. Then Kharif crops which are sown in rainy seasons are called beans. Just small examples, small definition. Crops which are sown in rainy season, sown SOWN, sown in the rainy seasons are called Kharif crops. Then rainy season in India generally, you know, June to September, because last month our rain happens in India. Our Bundelkhand regions also in rainy season is same times, because this is the month of the morning also today happens in rainy. Then rainy season in India generally from June to September. There paddy fields, rice. There's a Bundelkhand regions, chawal, rice. If you know Hindi, chawals. Paddy, maize, makka. Maize means makka, jia maize, or aija sativa. In soybeans, you some our border regions in Madhya Pradesh. In groundnut, mungfali, cottons, are of Kharif crops. Then Rabi crops. What is Rabi crops? Rabi crops grown in winter seasons are called Rabi crops. Their time period is generally from October to March, because after October our some little bit winter is comes. So you just remember rainy season, Kharif crops. Rainy season, Kharif crops. Rabi crops. रेनी सीजन्स खरीफ क्रॉप्स. खड़बड़ खड़बड़ होता है, रबी मीन्स रजाई आ जाती है, तो रबी क्रॉप्स. देन एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ रबी क्रॉप्स: wheat. Then when October month, because October month wheat, gram, tea, mustard and linseed. Because beside these pulses and vegetables are grown during summer at many places. Then I told you basic practice of crop production. Basic practice of crop production: preparing of soil, first, second, sowing, third, adding manures and fertilizer, fourth, irrigation, fifth, practicing from weeds, sixth, harvesting, and seven, storage. Then I teach you preparation of the soil. Preparation of the soil. The preparation of soil, first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture, because if your soil is not prepared, then how you sow in the seeds? Then this allow to roots penetrate. Roots, if your preparation of the soil not a good, then how to go in root and penetrate deep into the soil. The loosening soil helps in growth of earthworms, our farmer friend. Earthworms and microbes present in the soil. These organisms are friends of our farmers since last so many years, in further turn loosen the soil and humus. Then preparation of soil. How to preparation? With the help of tilling, a plowing. Plow, you know not tilling means why you are tilling, implying that plows. Our plow is happening to with the help of the tractor, just like the cultivators. People is telling cultivators in tilling. In because this language in our Bundelkhand, I tell you cultivators. Then preparation of soil done by plow are made of wood and iron. Then agriculture implements before sowing the seed break soil in size of grains to get better yield. Because nowadays in cultivators, plowing done by tractor, during cultivator, the use of cultivators save labor and times. In sowing, next I'm teaching sowing. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Good quality seeds are clean, healthy, good variety. Farmer prefer mostly go to in our that block labels, yeah, some seed go downs. They asking ki good quality in our regions in near to our university, very good university, Chandrasekhar Agriculture University. जिसे Patthar College also is called in near Kanpur. In our Bundelkhand, Banda district also some one university also there, agriculture university, but very popular is a good university. Some different in some Uttarakhand also Pant University. There is a lot of work in happening for variety of seed and activity. That then sowing up seed drills, adding manure and fertilizer. You know manures and fertilizers, because whenever growing, adding manures, fertilizers, whenever growing, farmers, healthy crop growing in farm, in the neighboring farm of plants were weak. Why do some plants growing? Then fertilizer are chemical substance which are rich in particular nutrient. You know DAP, urea, these are your fertilizers, because some our farmer in spread to DAP, urea, some also crisis happens, but last so many years is not happen these things. Then what are fertilizer? But excessive use of the fertilizer has made the soil less fertile. Fertilizers have also become a source of water pollutions. Then advantage of manure, natural manures, because enhance the water holding capacity of soil, enhance the water holding capacity to the soil. It makes the soil porous due to which exchange of gaseous. Then fertilizers, difference between fertilizers and manure. Lessons. Fertilizer is a inorganic salt. Fertilizer is a inorganic salt. In manure is a natural substance obtained by decomposition of cattle dung, human waste, plant residues. Means fertilizer, inorganic salt, that manure is a natural substance where decomposition of cattle dung or buffalo cow is a dung, human waste and plant residues. Then fertilizer prepare, where fertilizer prepares, where urea, NPK or some another fertilizer in factory, and manure prepare in field. Then fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides lot of humus to the soils. The fertilizer are rich in plant nutrient like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, but manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Then I told you irrigations. You know, water important for proper growth and development, flower, fruits and seed of the plant. Then irrigation, supply of water to crops at different intervals and carried. Irrigation, source of irrigations, wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, river, dam, canal. Then how many source of irrigations? Wells, tube wells, you know, light and solar light, ponds, talab, lakes, natural lakes, artificial lakes also. Natural lake, some our agriculture department UP government also help a lot of for Bundelkhand crisis of the waters. Then rivers, dam, canals. Then traditional method of the agriculture, some pulley systems, chains and pump also. Next modern method of the irrigation, sprinkler systems. Then sprinkler systems, after the drip systems. Then next is how to protection from weeds, because you grow, irrigation happens, then other than seed whatever grow, some weeds also grow. This is very important, weeds and weedings. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Means the removal of weeds is called weeding. The removal of weeds is called weeding. The removal of weed is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weeds complete the crop. Then harvesting of crop is important task, because harvesting harvesting of a crop is an important task. The cutting of crop after it is mature is called harvesting. Means the cutting of crop is an important after it is mature is called harvesting. After it is mature is called harvesting. the cutting of crop after it is mature, is called harvesting. In harvesting, crops are pulled out, cut loose to the ground. It usually takes 3 to 4 months, because our wheat, how many days in sowing to cut? If November is sowing, then for last March is cuttings. After 100 days, 120 days of different variety in called harvesting. Then after harvesting, sometimes stubs are left in the field, which are burnt by farmers. This is not allowed burn, because air pollution happens. Is our farmers, they cut the stubs in their field, then our fertilizers, manure also prepare, then manually. Then how to harvesting is some threshing, you combine. Then after that threshing, storage happens. Storage, because sowing, harvesting, storage. Our farmer, where sell our wheat? In rice. Somewhere sells in society. In this region, society or some government shops, there is based on the government rate. Just like, for example, every year government decide to this rate to this rate. This year decide to wheat 1,925 rupiah per 100 kg. 100 kg, yes. Then storage of produce is important task. If the crop grains are to keep for longer times, there should be parcel of moisture, safe from moisture, insect, rat, microorganism. Then their fresh crop has more moisture. If freshly harvested grain seed are stored without